परत एक फावट येवकार आमचे बरोबर खडेगांठ पॅनल आसा आनी एक सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचो रिजल्ट जो आमी डिक्लेअर करतात जाचेर म्हाका दिसता अख्ख्या गोंयची नदर आशिल्ली तो म्हळ्यार नावेलीच्या झेडपीचो इलेक्शन. तुमकां ब्रेकिंग आमच्या टीव्हीचेर दिसता. हांव फक्त फायनल डिटेल्स सांगता एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस इट. सिप्रू हॅज वन नावेली झेडपी सीट फॉर द थर्ड टायम. Interestingly, on number 2 is Pratima Kutino, number 3 is Aam Aadmi Party and BJP is on number 4. आता तू इंटरेस्टिंग गजाल ही की सिप्रूक 2895 वोट्स पडल्यात. 2895. प्रतिमाक 2523 वोट्स पडल्यात. 2523. Matilda De Silva of AAP 2428, 2428, and Satyavijay Naik of BJP 994. So the difference between number 2 Pratima and number 3 AAP is less than 100 votes. Less than 100 votes. And the lead of Sipru is almost 300, yeah, 372. 372 is the lead. So जिकला तोही भी फक्त 370 आणि ZP constituency लक्षात घेयात. So 372 is a comparatively very thin margin. So फक्त सिप्रू जिकला फक्त 372 वोट्सांनी. आप आणि काँग्रेस हांचे मदलो फरक is less than 100. Cleophas Bab, I'll start with you. What do you make of this?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, from day one, when we last met on Saturday,
Yeah.
I told you Sipru is the front runner.
Yes.
No doubt about it.
Yeah.
I also told you that BJP would do very well. Somehow, if you consider these voting percentages, voting numbers with the Lok Sabha elections, they polled about 4,000 votes in this belt. Somehow, I get a feeling that BJP has dumped their candidate and shifted their votes either to Sipru or to AAP. Somehow, of course, I feel that they would not transfer it to Pratima. But they have shifted their votes, no doubt about it. Otherwise, BJP can't be in fourth place. They have played their game very well as far as Naveli is concerned. For the Congress party, it's a terrible setback because they have lost both the seats. Last time also they lost, this time also they lost. But it's a terrible setback for them. They have a sitting MLA there, and this is a great setback to the Congress party. To my mind, this is on expected lines. But AAP has put a good performance with 2,400.
AAP has fared much better
than expected.
Okay.
No doubt.
Surel, happy, unhappy, कितें?
ना आमी हे एक्सपेक्ट केल्लें की आमकां इतली मतां पडटलीं हें आमचें एक्सपेक्टेशन आशिल्लें. काँग्रेसीचो थंय सिटींग MLA आसून प्रतिमा सारके मनीस थंय तेंचे काँग्रेसीचे येदे व्हडले लिडर हाडून थंय बसून सुद्दां 103 मतांच्या डिफरन्सान आप आनी काँग्रेसीच्या मदीं आसा. आनी सिप्रूच्या भितरूय बीन एक 400-450 मतांचो डिफरन्स आमकां मेळटा. सो पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार 2000 तिनूय कॅन्डिडेट आसा. सिप्रू इंडिपेंडंट, काँग्रेस आनी आम आदमी पार्टीचे मटिल्डा. जंय सिप्रू 2 फावटी जिखून आयला. प्रतिमा येदे व्हडले स्टेट लिडर काँग्रेसीचे आनी आमचे मटिल्डा हे एक आमचे ग्रासरूट लेवल व्हॉलेंटियर. हे थंय येवन 2420 मतां काडटा आनी इतली टफ फायट दिता म्हणल्यार आमकां दिसता की लोकांक एक पर्याय म्हणून आम आदमी पार्टी आता दिसपाक लागल्या.
Trajan Bab?
See, first, I'm quite shocked with these results. But I have said it earlier that this is a message to the leaders. And I won't be surprised there will be one more resignation of any leader because of this setback. We'll have to wait and watch that. Because the leaders also are now used to it, putting resignation, because they know it is not being accepted.
Yeah.
So there is no fear of putting the resignation.
Your resignations also go in limbo. You are a great party.
No, we are the greatest, in fact. Just because we are less in numbers right now, that is not a problem. But the question is now, as I have said, leaders are squarely responsible for this. For this fiasco, because it's a strong bastion. We lost the first Jilla of that same very constituency. We lose the second to an independent. It is, and Dr. said that BJP has played a beautiful game. They have transferred all their votes to AAP.
Okay.
So that AAP is kept in the game. That year you get some votes. Don't worry.
प्लीज दाजी बघा म्हाका सुभाष बाबा कितें तुमी ते कशें ट्रान्सफर करतात म्हाका
ना,
एक कळपाक कळ्ळें बरें जातलें म्हणून
हे वोट खंयच्यान बीजेपीतले ट्रान्सफर जावन आमकां येवना.
हय
एक गजाल आमी लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जशें दोतोरान सांगलें की कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या टायमार असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार तांकां इतले मतां मेळिल्लीं आनी ह्या फावट इतली मतां मेळ्ळीं. नावेली असेंब्लीची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी झेडपीची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हितून डिफरन्स आसा. कारण वेळीचो थोडो भाग ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन झेडपी खातीर येता, जो नॉर्मली नावेलीचो जो बाकीचो भाग आसा जो असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन येता तो येना. आनी त्या खातीर बीजेपीची इतलीच मतां, हांव म्हणपाक सोदता बीजेपीची इतलीच मतां आनी बीजेपीची मतां तांकां
तुम्ही
पडल्या.
म्हणटा बीजेपीचो वोटर खंयच गेलो ना.
हय, त्यांचो वोटर थंयच आसा, तितलीच तेंची 994.
Subhash Bab, disappointed on number 4?
Yeah, little bit disappointed, but म्हणजे आमी ह्या नावेली मतदारसंघ जशे दोतोराची कॅल्क्युलेशन मातशें चुकलेलें आसा. वॉट मिस्टर तिळवे हॅज सेड दॅट सम पोर्शन ऑफ म्हाका दिसता दोन.
No, I'm talking of Lok Sabha elections.
लोकसभा इलेक्शन ऑल्सो नावेली बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ रुमडामेळ. आमचो पळय वी हॅव वन the other constituency of ZP.
Correct.
And put together our
I am talking of 4,000 in this belt.
No, I don't think,
Check up.
because this is a minority
Correct. But
belt.
about minority with 4,000 votes.
Minority, I don't think there are majority 4,000 votes.
But why on number 4, Subhash Bab?
It is a little bit difficult to answer this question unless we
There's a smile on his face. On this number 4 also,
No,
there's a
no,
smile
no.
on his face.
No, the smile is for different reason. No, all this time आम्ही म्हणटाले की प्रतिमा सारको लिडर व्हरून थी व्हरता, केन्ना म्युनिसिपालिटी आसता, केन्ना झेडपीक आसता, केन्ना खंय कितें करता, इतकी आंदोलनां करता आनी सगळे काँग्रेसीचे लिडर वचून थी ऑलमोस्ट जिकिल्ल्या भशेन करतात. सो काँग्रेसीची खंय दशे जाल्या ही पळोवपाक आमकां दिसतालें की
काँग्रेसी दशा जावंक ना. हा परत बॉम्ब मारता. काँग्रेसी लिडराची दशा जाता.
काँग्रेसीचे लिडर वॉट एवर यू से दे डू नॉट हॅव द वर्कर्स, द लिडर्स डू नॉट हॅव अ कंट्रोल ओवर ऑल. हे कोण कोणाचे पांय ओडटा म्हणून म्हाका एखादे वेळ म्हाका दिसता की लुईझीन फालेरोकय दिसले की प्रतिमा मुखार सरली जर जाय ती फुडले असेंब्लीचे तिकीट हे करतले म्हणून ताच्या योग्य वेळाचेर मारलेले आसा. वी वर नॉट.
But this is a very interesting thing. Now this is a point.
But I congratulate this Mr. Churchill आलेमो at the last moment ताणे आयले आनी कितें तरी मिरेकल्स केल्ले आसा जाणे करून चर्चिलाचो जर सपोर्ट मेळना.
ते खेपे हांवें पळयलां चर्चिल म्हळ्यार की तुमकां बीजेपी वाल्याक सद्या ह्या
No, no, no. Churchill म्हणून वॉट एवर the fact is
हय.
the margin is so thin.
Aye.
If Churchill was not there with Cipru, probably Cipru would have not made this victory.
Okay.
So I feel that Churchill has made a good difference there.
Okay. एक
The
गजाल
margin could be the difference.
Churchill has had no very
but
marginal role.
Cleophas Bab, this
Yes.
comes to the most important
Yes,
question of
yes.
Louisine Falero.
Yes.
आणि two constituencies, ZP constituencies intermingling आणि थोडी सायडीचे वाटार बिटार घेऊन in his Naveli constituency he has lost both.
Yes.
What does this mean for Louisine and what does it say?
See, Louisine, as far as the Congress party is concerned, is firmly rooted in the party. I don't think Louisine is out of the race as far as the Naveli ticket is concerned. He is there. He's a sitting MLA. I don't think he's going out. Now, but at the same time, the party losing both the ZP seats is a great setback to him in personally and also for the party. No doubt about it.
Rajan Bab, how do you analyze it? How big is this
See,
setback
one thing we
for
must
a leader
understand.
like Louisine Falero?
No, the leader like Louisine Falero, I think last time there were enough charges that there was a setting between Louisine and Manohar Parrikar Bab. And that is how he managed to get through, because the defense colony ji ahli inchor votes ती सगळी ताका पडली after Parrikar being the defense minister.
So what are you saying, that Louisine Falero is playing for BJP now?
No, he's now not. Now BJP is playing for up. Now Municipal remained as he is. He could not. Those what.
Okay, you are saying BJP did not play for Luis Falero.
Did not play for us. Yeah, because last time he
It's
played.
becoming very complicated for me to understand Congress politics now.
No, because therefore I told you, you are a good anchor, not a good politician.
He is trained in Saligao. That is the thing.
This goes beyond the usual mathematics and chemistry of politics.
No.
Surel, तुम्ही जेव्हा पळयतात तेन्ना you look at Naveli as a constituency where you can make mark now.
डेफिनेटली तशें कामूय बीन केलां आमी कारण स्वता डोर टू डोर जेन्ना फिरलां तेन्ना म्हाका खबर आसा थंय कितें चलतालें तें एक बरी कॅम्पेन आमच्या थंय व्हॉलंटियर्सांनी चलयल्ली डेली डोर टू डोर जातालें एक घर 3-4 फावटी विजीट केलां रॅली काडल्या म्हणजे पयलीं बारीक बारीक जाताल्यो पूण लास्ट डे सुद्दां एक बरी व्हडली रॅली काडल्या आनी लोकां कडेन उलयता आसतना लोकांक कितें तरी बदल जाय हो जाणून येतालो आनी ह्याच खातीर सिप्रूक इतले कमी मार्जिनान जो 2 टर्म थंय झेडपी आसून सुद्दां इतले कमी मार्जिनान येवप हाजे वयल्यानूच कळटा की लोकांक थंय कितें तरी बदल जाय म्हणून आनी तो बदल म्हणून आमी एक आमचो आपाचो पर्याय थंय लोकांक दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतले
I think just to add, Cipru should be appreciated for it, not because his margin has come down. Third time, he has fought incumbents.
He has beaten
Yes, he has beaten
incumbents.
ND. That is the point.
He has beaten anti-incumbents.
Margin is supposed to come down.
Yeah.
After 2 terms.
एक गजाल हांव आतां मुता की because we have got all the results now आणि आतां उरल्या ती 5 म्युनिसिपालिटींची इलेक्शन्स क्लिओफा स्टार्टिंग विथ यू एटलीस्ट वास्को म्हापसा आणि मडगांव these are 3 things where there will be a very fierce contest. Yes. तुम्ही कशी पळयतात because this is a very interesting thing. BJP has some points from this result that they can improve as far as the campaigning or strategy for that election is concerned. Even opposition has many pointers here. So how do you look at it? What do you tell the BJP? What do you tell the opposition for these 5 municipal elections?
See, in the next round of municipal elections, it looks like there would be a fight. Like except in Konkani, the Congress never fought. ZP they fought. They really fought. Like Pratima went door to door. They put up a good campaign. Somehow the leaders came together. So there was a fight in Konkani, there was a fight in Naveli. But in Margaon, Vasco and Mapsa, I expect to be some sort of a fight. It is expected because even earlier in the last the elections which were cancelled, also they had formally put up their panels. So now they will have to possibly regroup and fight back because there I expect a fight.
But as far as Margaon is concerned, don't you get a feel that it is the MLA versus the organization because of the alliance with Goa Forward?
It looks like that issue would get settled at local level. Somehow it looks like that. But somehow I feel in Margaon, Vasco and Mapsa, all the 3 places there would be a fight. There would be a proper fight.
Yeah. Trajan Bab, तुम्ही किती म्हणतात for these 5 municipal elections?
These 5 municipal elections, I think these results will have an effect positively in favor of BJP because the way it has gone. And as Dr. now says that there will be some compromises could happen at local level. That local level compromises will hit the whole of Goa. We must not forget that. Therefore, I keep on saying he's a good lawyer, he's a bad politician. There are effects of it. There are rippling effects that when you start getting together with...
So you are saying...
With 1 minute. Let me finish. I'm saying, before I say anything,
yes.
I am saying if Luteras come together, there is no option to the people. You are saying one side is looting, and then that side looting.
I have a very specific question. Are you saying that in spite of this Digambar Kamath Vijay Sardesai alliance, it is that the party organization will work against this alliance in the municipal elections?
That the party organization should decide. I don't know anything about it.
But you are very
I'm
clear.
telling you,
you are very clear that's an unholy alliance.
100%. There is no doubt about that. It is not only people of Margaon and Fatorda who are looking at it. The entire people of Goa are looking at it. So what is the trust are we creating? What is the confidence we are creating? One looters you get out, the other looters come inside. What is this? You cannot be tolerated this way. I don't think if we have to make a change, we have to sit in the opposition,
Okay.
get prepared for it.
Okay.
But,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you, if we can manage to put up a face that here there is a change we are making, and trust us and give us an opportunity, we
But
can
you are
come to power.
saying, let the fight be in Mormugao.
He's saying, he's saying, let us fight to be in opposition. Let us build our party and be in opposition next term. This is what I think he's saying.
I'm saying we must be prepared to be in the
Correct,
opposition.
correct.
No,
But-
Rajan Babu,
but
what
if-
about Mormugao?
if-
What about Mormugao?
One minute. What Murmugao? I don't see any combination.
You are saying,
Who is
no,
existing
not
there?
combination. I am saying, you are saying the best thing is what Sankalp is doing in Mormugao? That a party man putting up his panel?
What is the wrong there is what he's doing?
No, I'm not saying there's anything wrong.
No,
I think
what-
you will prefer that kind of a thing in Margao rather than any alliance.
Where is the alliance? But with whom?
Okay.
Who is existing there
Okay.
to have an alliance?
Yeah. So you are saying,
Now, if you see
Yeah.
all these municipalities, have you seen anywhere any alliance?
No.
Any go forward existing anywhere?
ओके व्हेरी हे सुरेल तुम्ही जेन्ना पळयता तुमचं जरी एक्टिव्ह पार्टिसिपेशन हांगा नासलें तुमी हे निकाल आनीक फुडली 5 म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनां कशी पळयतात
खूप बरे तरेन म्हणजे एनालायज करपा सारको रिजल्ट आसा ह्याचेर बसून आमी विचार करतले CCPच्या इलेक्शनान आमचे कॅन्डिडेट्स आशिल्ले म्हणजे आपाचेच व्हॉलेंटियर्स आशिल्ले ते कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्ले V पणजेकार ह्या पॅनलांतल्यान तांचो सुद्दां रिजल्ट घेवन बसून कितल्या मतांचे मार्जिनान ते फाटी फुडें आसा तें आमकां पळोवचें पडटलें कुडचड्यार आमी एक काब्रालाक डेंट दिला वॉर्ड नंबर 3 क्लेमेंटिना फर्नांडीस जे डॉली फर्नांडीस म्हणटा ते आमचे व्हॉलेंटियर गाब्रियल फर्नांडीस आसा गॅबी फर्नांडीस ताजी बायल आनी कुडचड्यार आमचो आम आदमी पार्टीचो एक थंय प्रेझेन्स ह्या इलेक्शनाक अकाउंट ओपन जाला जसो लास्ट टायम बाणावलेंतल्यान ZP इलेक्शनाक ओपन जाल्लो ह्या फावट थंय आनी नावेलीचें जर आमी ZP इलेक्शन पळयलें जाल्यार आमकां खूब होप दिसता बाकीचो रिजल्ट एनालायज करून ह्या आतां 5 जी म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन आसा ताजे बाबतींत विचार करपाक आमी आयच्यान लागतले अशें दिसता म्हाका
सुभाष बाब तुम्ही कशे पळयतात ह्या उरिल्ल्या 5 म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शना कडेन कारण इट हॅज बीन अ व्हेरी बिटर हे सध्या हिस्ट्री की सुप्रीम कोर्ट हायकोर्ट टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट एम्बेरेसमेंट फॉर दी गव्हर्मेंट रिजर्वेशन्स चेंज जाली सो इट हॅज बीन अ व्हेरी फियर्स काइंड ऑफ अ हिस्ट्री फॉर दीज 5 म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन्स तुम्ही पक्ष म्हणून आणि taking a leaf from today's results, how do you look at it?
See, we don't depend on the whatever tactics आणि हे काय ना. We work on the ground. आमचे संघटन असा, ऑर्गनायझेशन असा. People may say, opposition may say that we have म्हणजे हातून भितर डिलिमिटेशना भितर कितें गोळ केल्लो आसा किंवा रिजर्वेशना भितर कितें गोळ केल्लो आसा. आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट वॉट एवर वे आता रिजर्वेशन जे सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या गायडलायन्सा खातीर जालं न्ही ताचे नंतरय आमी 5 म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिल्स जिखून दाखयतले दीस इज अवर कॉन्फिडन्स आणि आता सांगला तशें ताणें म्हणजे आमचे
मडगांव अलायन्स जाल्यार
मडगांव अलायन्स म्हणटा ते म्हणटा न्ही तांकां खबर आसा काँग्रेसीचे प्रवक्ताच सांगतात की हे लुटेरांक घेवन जर अलायन्स केले जर जायत वेर डू वी सेंड कितें करतले लोकांक कितें दाखयतले आसा ते चान्सीस मरमुगो आनी म्हापसा पसून वगडावन उडयतले हें तांचें हें आसा म्हणजे तांचे जो म्हणजे ते सांगपाक सोदतात की लुटेरां घेवन करनाका लेट अस बी इन द ऑपोजिशन सो दे आर प्रिपेर्ड फॉर ऑपोजिशन अँड आय एम व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट दॅट वी वील बी रुलींग ऑल 5 म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील केपें सांगे तर तांकां कांय उलोवपाकच मेळना हातून मार्मुगोवा मारगांव म्हापसा हातून भितर अ लिटील बीट फायट इज एक्सपेक्टेड बट वी आर कॉन्फिडंट दॅट वी आर गोईंग टू वीन दुसरे तुम्ही पळयतात की ते सुप्रीम हायकोर्टान गेले सुप्रीम कोर्टान केली ती गजालच वेगळी आसा आयज जे पळय पयली एक सुप्रीम कोर्टान भितर जे प्लेस केल्लें की सांग्यार भितर वार्ड नंबर 1 वो एसटीक केल्लो आसा आनी तातूंत भितर एसटीचे वोटरच ना अशें प्लेस केल्ले तांणी सुप्रीम आनी ताजेर जे जजमेंट आयिल्लो त्या वार्डान भितर वार्ड नंबर 1 भितर 3 जाण एसटीचे त्याच वार्डांतले कॅन्डिडेटय जाल्ले सो फॉल्स फॅब्रिकेशन करून ती केस फायल केल्ली अल्टिमेटली
म्हणटात यू आर कॉन्फिडंट ऑफ विनिंग ऑल दी 5
या वी आर कॉन्फिडंट ऑफ विनिंग ऑल 5 बिकॉज वी हॅव वर्क आणि आमचे बरे तरेन आमचे कार्यकर्ते एफिशियंट कार्यकर्ते तातूंत भितर पार्टिसिपेट जातात
Yes, Rajan Bab.
See, every time you say that we are prepared to sit in the, I said we should be prepared. But if it is our job in this
Yeah.
10 months or 12 months now to create confidence in the people that we are not throwing out one Luteras and taking the other Luteras in. I'm again repeating, unless and until that change we can create, we can come to power. If not, even if we have to sit in the opposition, let's sit in the opposition.
Yeah.
What is the big thing?
I
Because as our president is also on record that we are going to give young faces, so we can fight the next election. And who knows, after the 2024, all these fellows may go home, all things may get dissolved. We don't know.
After your rebel rousing performance today, Rajan Bab, I only hope that we do not get another order like Datta Prasad Naik got of being removed as the spokesperson of the party. But I appreciate your honesty. I appreciate your
What is there to get to
forthright.
be remove,
I appreciate your forthright
See, you may
nature.
remove me as a spokesperson, you can't stop my voice.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Please
saying. So
understand
I
this.
appreciate your completely forthright nature. Surel, Subhash Bab, Cleophas Bab, Rajan Bab, thanks a lot for joining us. Cleophas तर सकाळसान आमचे बरोबर आसात. बट एकच आशिल्लें आमच्या तकल्या भितर की हे रिजल्ट जी ऑनेस्टली क्लियरली आणि विदाउट एनी एरर्स तुमचे म्हऱ्या पावोवपाचे आणि त्याच बरोबर वॉट दीज रिजल्ट्स मीन ही गजाल तुमच्या म्हऱ्या पावोवपाची आमी सकाळसान हो प्रयत्न केला द नंबर्स दॅट आय एम गेटिंग ऑनलायन including television are huge. So thanks a lot because entire Goa is watching this broadcast and there is a overwhelming response. So परत सगळ्या पळोवप्यांक thanks a lot. तुमकांय आमच्या पॅनलाक thanks a lot. 5 इलेक्शन उरल्यात म्युनिसिपालिटीची ताजी कार्यावळ पोलिंगाच्या दीस रिजल्ट्साच्या दीस आमी घेवन अशेंच येतले. थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
कॉटनचा मुलायम स्पर्श तुमच्या तजेलदार त्वचेला. रेखाज हाऊस ऑफ कॉटन खुलवणार घराघरातल्या आनंदाला. दर्जेदार कॉटनचं अत्यंत विश्वसनीय माहेरघर. टॉवेल्स, बेडशीट्स, ड्युएट्स, ब्लँकेट्स, पिलोज आणि बाथ मॅट्स. कोणत्याही खरेदीवर आपल्याला मिळेल 10% सूट. आजच भेट द्या रेखाज हाऊस ऑफ कॉटन, कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस 6 3रा मजला, रिलायन्स ॲट्रिया, इझिदोर बापिस्तिया, गोल्ड स्टार हॉटेल समोर, मडगाव 66, गोवा.